What's up, everybody? This is Brian Brosey with B.Well Physical Therapy and Wellness. I'm demonstrating a hip mobility drill here for you today. It's simple. You need a object just to kind of focus on going lower than kind of like you would in limbo. Here, I'm using a foam roller to squat down below and just give me some visual cueing on staying nice and low, giving me a marker to get underneath and whatnot. So any object will work. A chair, a broom, anything you can stand like I'm using, and just go underneath it and try and shoot for lower each time. But here's what you're doing. You are reaching out into a side lunge and then staying in the bottom of the squat as deep as possible and squatting and shifting your weight to the other side and standing up. So we'll take this rep together. I'm going to step to the left here, squat down, try and stay low, shift my weight, and stand up with the power of the left leg. I also want to try and focus on keeping my tummy tight and my torso upright, so staying as tall as possible, which you'll see is a challenge for me, but to ensure that you are getting motion from your hips and not necessarily as much from your lumbar spine. Keep that belly button sucked in and up and focus on staying as tall as possible as you perform this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can find me on the Well Man's podcast. And again, my name's Brian Brosey.